Today nothing too crazy happened. Work was literally pretty much nothing. We were reined in all day. We had certain stupid jobs like poison and gutters, which don't work when you're doing rain and gardening. They don't compact. We did nothing all goddamn day. I got home, just played World of Tanks and relaxed and just pretty much did shit all. Mum was home all day as well. She was having a sickie. I don't know, played some good old slot cars when Dad got home. Yeah. Not really a lot, to be honest. Got news that my boss said he's got to rehire an ex-employee. He was a solid worker. He was called Shaggy. I've probably mentioned him a few times in here. He's coming back. Don't know when, but he's coming back. Yeah, man. Really about it. Oh, I don't know. That's all I remember anyway. Today's a pretty forgettable day. Bye.